This topic came about when I was considering some important implications for coexistence agreements in relation to Brexit. That then led me to consider how UK contract law needs to be fully considered, not only when it comes to coexistence agreements, but also for the administering of trademarks in the UK following the UK's departure from the EU bloc. And all this links to how IP holders in other jurisdictions need to consider UK trademarks as local property. This means sometimes taking a step back, caution, appreciating the importance of and understanding some key fundamentals of UK law and UK trademark law, which, for example, includes the danger of relying on standard precedent documents, especially given the often overlooked death knell of bona vacantia in the UK. You see, a lot of what applies to the legal requirements for a valid coexistence agreement in the UK often always links to certain elements of administering and the sale and transfer of UK trademarks. This should therefore be a useful overview for IPR owners and their attorneys in jurisdictions outside of the UK as well, as they may nowadays be dealing directly with UK law for the first time. Now, I've said UK law there a lot. There's actually no UK law. We have England and Wales law, we have Scots law, and Northern Irish law. When it comes to trademarks, there is a substantial overlap between these three legal systems. So today, when I say UK law, I am really talking about England and Wales law, and the United Kingdom Trademarks Act 1994, which is then a national UK statute. And it is safe for the purposes of this webinar to do so. I'll say UK law, but I will point out some key differences as we go along when they're important, such as with contract law and Scots law. If you are interested, it's mainly public law, which differs heavily between the jurisdictions, but that we need a webinar on the Act of Union 1707. So if we keep to the modern day, I want to start with those coexistence agreements